you need to be using ChatGPT with your business right now, or you are going to be left completely behind in 2023 and the years to come. And I'm going to tell you why. I've been experimenting with ChatGPT for the past, 7 or 8 months, and I've seen some things that are mind-boggling. That they're so mind-boggling that it has me concerned for businesses that are not using it. So there's three key areas that you need to think about in terms of AI and how to really use it for your business. One is production, two is strategy, and three is content output. These are three key areas that if you know how to use AI, it's going to really catapult your business forward. And I'm going to give you some specific examples of how I actually been using AI and how it's been able to help me tech 10x efforts that normally take me a lot more time, and also 10x my strategy that has been able to 10x the results that I'm getting. So let's just jump right into it. I think the first one I think about is production. When you think about production, the ability to use AI is a game changer. I think about our efforts of what we do with LinkedIn. We've used a few tools with LinkedIn to ramp up our production, the amount of content that we can come up with, or at least the ideas of content. I think right now it's still early to be depending solely on AI to produce your content, but it's a hell of a tool to help you come up with ideas so you can produce the right type of content. When I think about the amount of posts that I've been able to get out compared to what I normally would get out without it, it's insane. You're looking at 10, 20, 30, 40, 50 posts that you could get planned out in a week with the right tool, which allows you to be a lot more, omnipresent, and it allows you to be a lot more aggressive when it comes to your social media efforts and your social media execution. Now, the way I use AI, I use it. There's a tool that I actually use. It's called Taplio. Take this down if you are trying to expand with LinkedIn, because it's going to be a game changer for you. What's cool about this tool is it pulls in the hottest topics, the hottest posts that people are talking about, the viral content. It also, if you want to get help with writing content, this tool can either write ideas for you. You could write the content. You could ask this tool to use AI to enhance the quality of your content, whether it's being more assertive, laid back, you name it. This tool has the capabilities to do it. And on top of that, it allows you to come up with ideas and creative ways to comment on people's posts. So I think that's a huge tool that is a game changer that allows you to be able to 10x the productivity. So for all my video content creators out there, there's two tools that you could use that is going to just 10x your production. One is called Opus, and the other one you probably already know of is CapCut. What I really like about Opus is you can run a 14-minute video, record it, and you can upload it to this tool, and it's going to slice it up in a way, Alex Hormozy style, with the right type of text. It's going to break the video up into chunks based on your talk cadence. So it's going to capture highlights. It's going to split across and split dead spaces and moments where things have kind of paused within your talking pattern. So very powerful tool, but that's been able to 10x my production and output with the content that I'm putting out there. So I think that's huge. So production, put those tools on your list if you haven't put them on your list already. All right, next, so we'll talk about strategy. The strategy is just being able to, use tools, or I take that back. Strategy, being able to, come up with game plans for executing on whatever marketing efforts you have, whatever business you have. vidIQ is a tool that I've been using to help with come up with content, and now they've taken it to the next level. They have an AI coach that goes through your YouTube account. It audits your YouTube videos, and then it gives you suggestions on what videos you should do in the future. With subject lines, it actually describes the type of thumbnails you should create for this videos. So this is a game changer. It literally just took the strategy part and threw it out the window. So if you have a coach that is, strategizing with you on these things, this thing can do this in a matter of minutes. It went through my entire account and it told me 5 of the next posts I should focus on. It even told me about videos that may not have performed well but have potential, and I need to use a different angle with my uh, 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 content approach and try again. So incredibly invaluable. I can't speak to you enough how much time that saves, but also the mystery that it eliminates in this content creation process. And in fact, with vidIQ, I put this in the two buckets. It's content output, but it's also strategy as well. And it's strategy because it can help you come up with the type of videos, the style of videos, how you should message them, the audience. There's a lot of things that can do. You even can analyze the metrics. I can keep going on and on, but I'm going to stop for the purpose of trying to keep this video short. The last one I'm going to bring up, which we all are familiar with, but I think right now is the time to get in with using this tool, and it's Meta. It's Facebook ads. I recently launched a new Facebook ad and was able to generate leads within a few hours. And I'll tell you, I am new to Facebook ads in the sense of using it as a channel to generate new business, and the fact that I've been able to do that so relatively quickly speaks volumes. But I'll tell you what Facebook ads is doing, or Meta is doing differently, how they've taken it to the next level, and why you should get involved is when I think about optimization, you think about A/B test experiments, alternatives. You upload a video for your Facebook ads, or you upload an image and you come up with your ad, they create dozens of variations for you. They create variations of your videos, of your image. They play around with your text and they put those specific images in front of the people who are most likely to respond to the way they are being displayed. That is mind blowing, because before AI really advanced at the level it did, that was a manual action that an expert would have to take time to analyze all these different intricacies. The thing about Facebook in general, or Meta, is they have all the data. They have billions, literally billions of people on their platform, and they have probably trillions of data points about them. So with that being said, if anybody could leverage AI to do these advanced A/B testing scenarios, it would be Meta. It would be Facebook. And this is just my opinion, even though this is new. The advancements with their ads. I think it's going to be really hard for a company to be able to compete with the Facebook ad capabilities that it has right now with AI. I'm not saying that we're eliminating strategists. I think what's going to happen is the people who know how to harness the power of these tools is still going to be incredibly important, but everybody's job just got easier on how to run ads. So if you aren't running ads and you're thinking about using the business to, or using ads to grow your business and take it to the next level, I think right now is a great time to do it. All right, so to sum it up, I think if you're not using AI in your business, you need to start immediately, because companies that do are going to they're going to dust you. They're going to leave you in the dust completely, because they're going to be able to 10x on every avenue that they can with their business. I think right now is the time for experimentation with AI and using it in every scenario. I think about the way I'm using it right now. I'm looking at how I can leverage AI in every part of my business, from optimization to coming up with new ideas. I look at it as, from 2022 to 2023, I feel like you can evolve your business where you can have 5 to 10 employees and you're moving like a 50-person company. And that's been my objective for this year, is to level my business up where the production, the strategy, the agility, the capabilities is just out of this world. And you should be doing that too. So if you like this video, hit the like button and show me that you like it.